This is my nerf thing, my nerf arsenal 2015. I'm probably gonna get more in the future, so here's one more. This is my first nerf gun ever. And I got dirt in it. Crap. So I'm going to see how much guns I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 nerf guns in total. Or 13.
You've been recruited to join the other side. What? Operation Other Side. What's my mission?
So this is my nerf. And we're going to do a shooting test. I'm outside, so... No, let's just do it in here. Let's do that right now. Oops. Sorry.
I'm not going to help you work against the other side. Why not? Because I'm on the side of the other side.
You don't have to be.
The shocking conclusion of Casey Undercover. Operation Other Side. Sunday at 8 on Disney Channel. Okay, but next time we're jumping over your laptop. We're back.
Hey, sorry guys.
So now that you're with my crew, just wouldn't you like to know? Yes, that's why I asked.
I want to go get darts.
We're friends now. What's with the attitude? Oh, sorry. Come on. How'd you end up in here? Well, I knocked over a convenience store. That's no big thing. Convenience stores get robbed all the time. Oh, I didn't rob it. Took a forklift and turned it on its side. Dang, puppet! That's messed up.
That's true.
What's up with their homework?
Come on, you. I'm using them right there. Well, I'm sitting right there. I'm using right there. One, but it's sitting there. My bum's already there before your...
Awesome in third
Oh,
grade.
God.